What is a niche? This is a common question asked by beginners. So, in this video, in the third over of the Affiliate Marketing T20 series, I will tell you what a niche is in affiliate marketing. I will answer the question, what is a niche? I will give you an example and I will also tell you why you should choose a niche. Okay, so before I jump in, I'd request you to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you do not miss on any updates. Okay, so let's jump in. Alright, so in the third over, I will cover three things. In the first segment, I will answer the question, what is a niche? What is a niche is a commonly asked questions in affiliate marketing, and in this video, you will learn in simple words what a niche is. Okay, so in the simplest of words, a niche is a small segment of a large market. Okay, think of a niche as a slice of a cake. Okay, if the whole cake represents market, then slice of that cake represents the niche. Okay, so I will give you a few examples. Number one, if fashion is large market, if fashion is the cake, then women's jackets is a niche, or women's jackets is slice of that cake. Then if fitness is large market, then yoga for asthma is a niche. And then if technology is that big cake, then website builders are slice of that cake. Okay, so again, niche is a small segment of a large market. Okay, so that is a niche, and I hope you understood what a niche is. So that's about the first segment of the third over. Then in the second segment, I will tell you why you should have a niche. Okay, so there are 5 primary reasons why you should choose a niche for affiliate marketing. Okay, the first reason is it caters to a specific audience. Okay, my mentor says when it comes to targeting, specific is terrific. And by that he means if you are an affiliate marketer and you sell everything, your audience will not know what you stand for. Okay, so choose a niche that you're interested in and passionate about, and create content and choose products only of that niche. Okay, and when you promote products of a specific niche, you build authority and trust. Okay, look, I'm an affiliate marketer. Okay, let's say in 3 videos I talk about technology, then in the next 3 videos I talk about fitness, then in the next 3 videos I talk about relationships. So people who visit my website will be confused as to what I actually stand for. Okay, so choose one niche and stick to it. That's why I tell many times, choose a niche that you are passionate about. Choose a niche regardless of the commission structure or commission rates. Okay, so when you publish content of a specific niche, when you cover each and everything that is to cover within that topic, you establish trust and authority. And when you cover only one thing, when you cover things on one topic, people see you as a go-to resource. Okay, so let's say you are an affiliate marketer who posts about website builders. Okay, so people who want to create websites will come to your page more, will come to your website more often than not. Okay, then the third reason why you should have a niche is it has comparatively lesser competition. If you look at the bigger niche, if you choose relationships, it is a huge market, it is very saturated. So let's say you select something as specific as a relationship counseling for married couples. Okay, it is niche, there is lesser competition, and there is a decent amount of audience. Okay, so dive deep and choose one specific topic in that large market. Okay, then the fourth reason for choosing a niche is you can send customized messages. So let's say you are someone who helps people build websites. Okay, so since you have chosen a specific niche, your message will be specific to your specific target audience. Okay, so every time when people visit your website, it will be, do you want to create a website? Do you want to host your website? Do you want a domain name for your website? Your message will revolve around these 3 things only. Okay, then you can dive deep, landing pages, content, and so on, but it will be around website creation only. Okay, and the fifth reason for having a niche is it helps you generate quality leads and conversions. When you appeal to the masses, you'll also attract jokers. I wanted to use some other word, but I chose jokers. Okay, so when you have a specific target audience and when you create content only for them, people who enter your ecosystem will be qualified leads and you'll have high quality conversions. Okay, only 100 200 visitors will visit your website, your platform, but the conversion rate will be higher. On the contrary, if you appeal to the masses, you'll have thousands of visitors, but conversion rate will be probably less than 1%. Okay, so always cater to the needs of one specific audience. Okay, so that was about segment 2 of the third over. Now, when you choose a niche, I'm sure one question popped in your mind, which is, can you change your affiliate marketing niche? I've heard this many times. I've got this question many times. Shubhamjeet, can I change my niche in affiliate marketing? Can I change my affiliate marketing niche? Can I change the niche of affiliate marketing? The answer is, of course you can. I know a friend who changed his niche, I think 7 or 8 times before finalizing what he's doing now. Okay, so you can start, experiment, and figure out along the way. Okay, I cannot give you a pill that will give you the path. Okay, you have to try, test, experiment, and along the way you will figure things out. Okay, so that was about third over. In the third over, I told you what a niche is, why you need a niche, and if you can change your niche. Okay, now I want to ask you a question. Do you want to learn affiliate marketing and want to earn passive income through affiliate marketing? If yes, if that is you, I'd suggest you join my community by clicking the link in the description. I'll also pin the link in the first comment. Click the link and join my community, and you will learn 6 steps and 3 secrets of making about 1 lakh rupees per month by selling once and earning over and over. Okay, so I've placed the link in the description and the first comment. Click the link, enroll now, and I'll see you inside my community. So that's about over number 3 of the affiliate marketing T20 series. In the third over, I shared what a niche is, why you need a niche for affiliate marketing, and if you can change your niche in affiliate marketing. So that's about this video. If this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And I'd also request you to share it with people who need this. Okay, there is a lot of confusion and chaos in the market about affiliate marketing and what is a niche in particular. So share it with people who need this. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.